What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm going to work on my Acura. I found a fix with my brake lights. They constantly stay on, so we're going to fix it with a penny and some scotch tape. So before we get started, I'm going to show you my vehicle. The tail lights are on, you know, even if you're not pressing the brake. So right now I'm going to flip the screen over, show you guys real quick. Okay, my lights are off. Turn the car off so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's really sunny, really hot right now, but you can tell the lights are on. You can even see the back light is on. So what we're gonna need is some scotch tape and a penny. We're gonna get underneath the brake here. So I'm gonna turn the car back on because it's really hot outside. So let me get that penny. I didn't really think this out. I need my stand. Hold on. Alright, so you're going to wrap up your penny like this. Now we're going to put a piece of tape on it, just like that. So now we're going to go underneath the vehicle, underneath, right there where the pedal is, and put this fix on it. Alright, so here's our issue right here. When you press the pedal, I don't know if you guys can see that little switch right there gets pressed in, and that tells the brake lights to go off. So what we're gonna do, since it's not making right contact, we're gonna go ahead and put our placement, our penny, right in there where that little pedal is. Let me push the brake down with my other hand, and we're just gonna wrap it around that little area there. Make sure you get it snug in there. If you need more tape, put more tape on it, and that should depress the brake. So let's go see the back. Sorry about the view. Our brake lights should be off, just to show you my lights are not on either. Alright guys, there you go. Brake lights are off. So that's a quick, easy fix with just a penny, guys, and some scotch tape. Hope you guys liked the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope this fixes your issue too. We'll catch you in the next one.